utopia.
Welcome guys to another video, and I'm going to show you what it's like making money online today, right? So today I'm at home at the moment, as you can see, but we're actually going to go to Abu Dhabi, right? And the reason I'm going to Abu Dhabi is because there's a really nice beach there. It's called Yas Beach, and I thought, you know what, let me film a day in the life today so you guys can see what it's like, right? And because I make money online, because I can work where I want, because I work from my laptop, right, I can literally work wherever I want. And I want to show you guys what that's kind of like, you know, because up until now, you know, if you've watched some of the previous videos, I've gone to a mall, I've gone to Dubai Creek Harbour, I've gone to different places, right? But I want to also show you what it's like when you can go to like a beach where you can relax, where I can, you know, go wherever I want basically and still make money. So I'm going to show you guys what my day-to-day is kind of like, and yeah, just see where the day takes us, to be honest. Right guys, we're on our way to Abu Dhabi. It's like an hour drive. This is what I love about, you know, Dubai and the UAE in general. Is like, you know, you can go to Abu Dhabi, it's only an hour down the road. And yeah, the beach place is there, which is where we're going today, which is going to be sick. I want to show you guys literally what it's like, man. Honestly, just making money online, you know, going to a beach. The weather's good all the time. Like, I don't need to check the weather. I know in the UK, before you go to a beach, you have to check the weather because, you know, it's just going to rain. And it always rains there anyway, and it's a shit place to live. But anyway, my point being that, you know, with Dubai and the UAE in general and Abu Dhabi and whatnot, it is just the weather's good all the time. I think today is going to hit 40, if I'm not mistaken. And the best thing about living in Dubai, and again the UAE in general, it is so safe. Like guys, I was actually having a conversation with someone else the other day. I basically carry a bag, right, like a chest bag where I put my laptop and whatnot. And what I realized is that I was basically saying to someone else, why don't you just get like a chest bag and put your laptop in there? And he goes to me, bro, I live in London. Do you know what I mean? Like, I can't do that, I'm gonna get robbed. And I'm like, wow, like I forgot about these little things, you know. When you live in London, when you live in the UK, you forget about these things that, you know, you have to be careful because there are people that are literally gonna, you know, rob you, or, you know, it's not safe. You can get stabbed for a fucking bag, like it's crazy, right? But here, I don't think twice. I just take my laptop bag. Sometimes I even leave it, right, just wherever. And I'm not worried that it's gonna go. But in the UK, you can't do that. And it's kind of like reminded me of how lucky I am to be living in the UAE now, where, you know, these things don't happen basically, you know. And this is what I try to say to you guys, like, it is a different life here, to the point now, like, I've been here for 2 years now, and I've realized, like, the change I've had in me as a person is just crazy. And just the way I live life now and the way I think about life is so different. So highly recommend to leave the UK, live in Dubai or the UAE or Abu Dhabi, wherever you want to live in, right? Whichever city within the UAE you want to live in, just move here. Because wherever you go, you're gonna love it. You're gonna absolutely love it. But yeah, guys, we're on our way to Abu Dhabi, and I'll catch you guys there. So we had a quick pit stop at Popeyes, and got some popcorn chicken, which my wife's gonna feed me. And yeah, not too far now, 20 minutes away. And it's like a really hot day today as well. So, and there's a lot of sand on the road for some reason, which I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, it's a bit of an unusual day, but here's what it is. Just quickly put some fuel in as well, because I was literally on one bar. I thought I was gonna break down in the middle of the road. But luckily we got some fuel in, and got some popcorn chicken from Popeyes. 10 out of 10, by the way. And yeah, catch you guys at the beach.
You was my dog, we came from the kennel. My word is bond, it's fundamental. The world is revolving and I'm at the center. I left a kilo of bud with Kendra. I was in Vauxhall with bricks in the Vectra. Look at the place that we came from. There ain't nobody, I changed them. When I need a shoulder, there's no one to lean on. I pour up till I'm getting lean up. Mad about boss and I'm shaking the scene up. Before any marriages, we need a prenup.
So guys, this is literally what online money looks like, right? I'm on the beach right now, I'm working. You know, life is good. You know, just doing what I need to do. And yeah, I mean, it's a bit windy today. I guess that's the only thing. But apart from that, I've got some chips here. I've got some Diet Pepsi, which just shows you guys what's possible, you know. But yeah, guys, it just shows you what's possible. Literally 2 years ago, I was in my job right now, working 40 hours a week, listening to my boss, doing what he had to do, doing what I was told to do, basically. You know, used to envision a life like this, used to dream of a life like this, but, you know, I never took action at that time. I never took risk at that time. I never tried to level up. And that's why I was working a job. And this is why I say to you guys, right? You can literally achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve, but you've got to try. And if you don't try, then you're not going to become successful, you know? And right now, it's really windy. My hair is going all over the place. But yeah, guys, this can literally be you if you decide to take action, right? Because this was what I used to visualize. This is what I used to think about when I was in the UK working my 9-to-5 job. And now life is good. So just got back in the car. It is absolutely mad windy. I wanted to film more there, but I really couldn't. It was just really windy. My hair, you can probably tell, is absolute mess. But yeah, we were there for about 2-3 hours and it was good. Got some work done, chilled for a bit, got some good food, calamari. What else did we get? Calamari, chips, drinks, loads of drinks. I got a frappe as well. And yeah, we are now, what time is it now? I think it's like, 3:30. We're going to go to Yas Mall, which is just down the road from here. I believe so anyway. And just check out the mall a bit and chill, relax, shopping for the wife. And pretty much just have a good chill day. But guys, I want to really show you, right? Like, I know you're probably watching other like day in the life sort of stuff like that, and maybe they're showing Lamborghinis and all that kind of stuff, right? But I just want to keep it legit. Like, I want to keep it really real. Like, when you're free, this is what you get, if that makes sense. Like, forget all the expensive cars, forget all the, luxury life sort of thing. I want to just show you like what a normal life can look like when you don't like have to work for anyone, when you can make money online and you have freedom, right? Like, you can go to a beach and work, you can go anywhere and work. Like, you don't have to be tied down to one location. You can spoil your family. For example, my wife, she's retired. My wife doesn't have to do anything. She relaxes, she chills. I'm able to give her that kind of life. So yeah, it's just an amazing feeling, and this is why I urge all of you to, try and make money online. And if you guys are looking for any help, by the way, click the link in the description from this video. You can book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you in the morning.
All of my enemies teaming up. They're telling me that I'm crazy, I think I'm genius. I'ma make sure that they see me, Huncho the lean, pour up a cup of the lean, been getting easier. I had to sell all the cheesy, pockets got cheesier. Making my way through life, finding the meaning, Traveling.
So we just had some lunch. We went to Vapiano's. I'm in the Yas Mall right now. I mean, look at the scenery behind me, it looks crazy. My hair's a mess, so excuse that. But yeah, guys, like, this is what online money can do for you, You can go where you want, live where you want. You can literally have freedom. And like, guys, like, if I can show you the scenery, right? If I just show you guys, like, this is Yas Mall, sick place, sick mall over here. And you got this beautiful, beautiful views, car park and whatnot. And it's actually a very big mall, to be fair. Yeah, it's actually a very big mall, and it was actually really good to go in there. But guys, what I want to basically show you in this video, right, is just freedom. Because again, I'm not trying to show you the Lamborghini lifestyle. I'm not trying to show you like this luxury lifestyle, which obviously you can get if you really want, right? But I'm trying to show you that anyone can live a life like this. Anyone can just move to Dubai, make money online, go to a mall, go to the beach, go eat some food or whatever, right? And like, today's a random Wednesday, So it's not like I've just come here on a Saturday or a Sunday. Guys, I can do this whenever I want, and this is kind of what I want to show you. And this is what online money gives you, and this is why a lot of people sign up to my coaching program, right? Because they want to make money for themselves. They want to be free. Again, if you guys are interested with my coaching program, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you. But yeah, what we're going to do now is probably going to head home. It's like 5 something, 5, 6 o'clock. I'll go home. I've got some calls as well, so I'll just take that home. And then I'll close off the vlog when I get back. But yeah, I'll catch you guys there. Finally back home. Honestly, it was a great, great day. I would say a very productive day as well. I mean, I probably didn't vlog as much as I would have liked to be honest. But honestly, guys, it was so windy in the beach place. It was, I couldn't even film. Like, my hair was just all over the place. But no, I got some work done and chilled there for a bit, went to the mall. And again, I know I didn't film as much as I wanted to, but honestly, it was really difficult. But I'll probably make it up to you guys, right? I'll probably make another video where I just go a little bit more in depth and film the whole day like I have been doing. But yeah, this time it was very difficult. The drive to Abu Dhabi was good as well. It only took an hour coming back. There was a little bit of traffic, but again, all good. Got in, like an hour and a half, so it wasn't too bad. But yeah, I thought I'd just close off the vlog now. I've got a few calls which I'm going to be taking. And yeah, I just want to basically, the whole point of these videos, right, is to show you guys freedom. It's to show you guys how life can be. And, you all should try and make money online. You all should be like trying to start an online business because, if you're working a 9-to-5 job, and I've gone over this in many videos, but if you're working a 9-to-5 job, right, you're not going to be happy. You're going to be depressed. You're going to be working for someone else. You're not going to get that fulfillment out of life. Your majority of your days look exactly the same, when my days just look so different. I can go where I want. I can live how I want. I can go to Dubai Mall if I want today, or if I can go to Dubai Marina. I can go wherever I want, right? Or if I want to go to another country, I can do that as well, to be honest. Nothing's stopping me because I make money online. And this is the whole point of this video, because I want to show you guys how nice and how amazing life can be when you make money online, And in fact, let me just show you guys my cat, because he's actually decided to chill with me on the balcony. Guys, this is my cat, Mufasa. But yeah, guys, I'm just going to sign off on the vlog. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you want to know the One Skill Consulting business model in a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen. And if you do want to work with me on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to jump on a call and show you exactly how I can actually help you.